Cult.fit achieved 400% growth through local SEO. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into successful marketing strategies of top brands. Today, we're exploring how Cult.fit, a leading fitness and wellness company in India, achieved an impressive 400% growth through local SEO. Let's break down their strategy and see what lessons we can learn. Introduction. Cult.fit has revolutionized the fitness industry in India by offering a holistic approach to health and wellness. Founded in 2016, the company has rapidly expanded its presence across the country, with over 200 fitness centers in 25 cities. But their success isn't just limited to physical locations. Cult.fit has mastered the art of digital marketing, particularly in the realm of local SEO, leading to exponential growth in their online presence and customer base. The challenge. As Cult.fit expanded its physical presence, they faced a significant challenge: how to increase visibility and drive traffic to their numerous local fitness centers. With thousands of web pages and over 7,000 keywords to manage, optimizing their online presence for local searches was no small feat. The strategy. To tackle this challenge, Cult.fit partnered with Infidigit, a digital marketing services provider, in 2011. Together, they developed a comprehensive local SEO strategy focused on optimizing Google My Business (GMB) profiles and improving overall online visibility. Let's break down the key components of their strategy. 1. Google My Business optimization. Cult.fit recognized the importance of Google as a primary platform for research and exploration among the Indian population. They focused on optimizing their Google My Business profiles for each location, ensuring that when people searched for fitness centers nearby, Cult.fit would appear prominently in the results. 2. Keyword-rich business descriptions. The team enriched business descriptions with keyword-rich content, optimizing them to attract relevant searches and improve overall visibility in local searches. 3. Regular posts and updates. To maintain freshness and engagement, Cult.fit regularly created posts highlighting various sales and events on their GMB profiles. 4. Review strategy. A strategic approach to cultivating reviews across accounts was implemented. Reviews contribute unique content and keywords, aiding in boosting GMB profiles rankings in the map pack. 5. Citation Building. The team constructed over 100 citations for each Cult.fit location across high-authority directories and fitness-specific directories, amplifying their visibility and authority in local search results. 6. Website optimization. In addition to GMB optimization, Cult.fit also focused on improving their website's SEO. They added a top searches section in the footer of their web pages to increase internal linking for top keywords and their targeted pages. 7. Content strategy. Cult.fit created high-quality, relevant content across various categories including exercise workout, yoga, meditation, online doctor consultation, healthy recipes, and information about their gyms and centers. The results. The implementation of this comprehensive local SEO strategy led to remarkable results for Cult.fit. 1. Website visits. Over a 9-month period, May 2021 to February 2022, Cult.fit saw a cumulative increase of 551.23% in overall website visits across all locations. 2. Search impressions. In the same period, there was a cumulative increase of 208.51% in overall search impressions for all locations. 3. Keyword coverage. Cult.fit's keyword coverage increased by 496.6% from the rankings point of view to 4. First position rankings. Keywords ranking in the first position increased by a massive 1706% to 5. Non-brand traffic. Non-brand clicks improved by 223%, while non-brand impressions saw a staggering 1,908% increase. Let's visualize these results in a table. Metric improvement. Website visits 551.23%. Search impressions 208.51%. Keyword coverage 496.6%. First position rankings 1706%. Non-brand clicks 223%. Non-brand impressions 1908%. Example: optimizing a local Cult.fit center. Let's take a detailed look at how Cult.fit might have optimized the GMB profile for one of their fitness centers in Bangalore. 1. Business name: Cult.fit Indiranger Fitness Center. 2. Category: Gym, Fitness Center, Yoga Studio. 3. Address: complete and accurate address with PIN code. 4. Phone number: local phone number. 5. Website: URL of the specific locations page on Cult.fit. 6. Business hours: accurate and up-to-date operating hours. 7. Description: Cult.fit Indiranagar offers state-of-the-art fitness equipment, expert trainers, and a variety of classes including height, yoga, and dance fitness. Join our community for a holistic approach to health and wellness in the heart of Bangalore. 8. Photos: high-quality images of the fitness center, equipment, and classes in action. 9. Posts: regular updates about new classes, special offers, and fitness tips. 10. Reviews: encouraged satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and responded promptly to all feedback. By optimizing each element of the GMB profile, Cult.fit ensured that their Indiranger Center would appear prominently in local searches for terms like Gym Near Me, Fitness Classes in Indiranagar, or Yoga Studio Bangalore. Tools and resources. To achieve these impressive results, Cult.fit likely used a variety of SEO tools and resources. While we don't have specific information about their toolkit, here are some popular options that businesses can use for local SEO. 1. Google My Business, essential for managing local business information across Google. 2. SEMrush, for keyword research and tracking rankings. 3. Moz Local, for managing local business listings. 4. Bright Local, for local SEO audits and citation building. 5. Google Search Console, for monitoring website performance in search results. 6. Ahrefs, for backlink analysis and keyword research. 7. Yext, for managing business information across multiple platforms. Conclusion: Cult.fit success story demonstrates the power of a well-executed local SEO strategy. By focusing on optimizing their Google My Business profiles, building high-quality citations, and creating relevant, engaging content, they were able to significantly increase their online visibility and drive substantial growth in website visits and search impressions. The key takeaways from Cult.fit strategy include: 1. Prioritize Google My Business optimization. 2. Create keyword-rich, relevant content. 3. Build high-quality local citations. 4. Encourage and manage customer reviews. 5. Implement strategic internal linking on your website. By applying these strategies, businesses of all sizes can improve their local SEO performance and attract more customers in their target areas. We hope this case study of Cult.fit's local SEO success has provided you with valuable insights and actionable strategies for your own business. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and consistent effort is key to achieving and maintaining good results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe now to our channel for more in-depth marketing strategy analysis and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.